Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the engine air filter for a 2015 Toyota Prius. So this is the engine air filter. This is the air the engine is consuming, not the air you are breathing. That filter I've already done. It's called the air cabin filter and the link is located down below in the description. This one's crazy easy, so let's jump into it. So here is where your air filter lives. It's really easy. You just pop these little clips off, just like that. And you can just lift the top of the housing and kind of bring it towards you so it comes out of these clips here. And then remove your air filter material. This one's okay, but I'm going to change it anyway. Here is the actual Denso part, and the link is located down below in the description. And look in this box. If it's super dirty in here, go ahead and clean that with a mild solvent like Windex or something, or vacuum out leaves, anything like that. This one's fine though. Ooh, nice and gleaming. And then we're just going to line it up like this, making sure that it drops into the hole and it's not sticking out on any one side, making sure it's nice and flat. And then we're going to take the air box and right here, we're going to line it up and push it back in, push it down, grab these clips, pop that one on, and you're all done. So that's how to change your engine air filter for a 2015 Toyota Prius. Crazy easy, no tools required, very, very, very easy. Something you can totally do literally anywhere in the world. Don't take this to be done on your car. Don't pay anyone to do this. They're going to charge you a minimum of $100 to do this. And this is like 10 bucks worth of work and a $10 filter. So if you do the work yourself, you're only spending $10, no tools, no nothing. It's a total no-brainer. Go do it for yourself. If you found this video helpful or interested at all, please consider becoming a member by clicking that join button down below. It's a direct way to help the channel out. Barring that, like, comment, subscription go a huge way and tells YouTube that I did a good job, and I would really appreciate that as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.